Monotonous. The word monotonous is used to describe something that is dull, repetitive, or lacking in variety. It suggests a lack of change, excitement, or interest. When something is monotonous, it can become tedious and boring. Here are some examples to help illustrate the meaning of monotonous. 1. Work. A job that involves doing the same task over and over again, without any variation, can be described as monotonous. For example, working on an assembly line where you repeatedly perform the same action or doing data entry tasks for hours on end can feel monotonous. 2. Speech. If someone speaks in a monotonous manner, it means their voice lacks variation in tone, rhythm, and emphasis. This can make it difficult to stay engaged or interested in what they are saying. For instance, a teacher who speaks in a monotone voice during a lecture might make it challenging for students to stay focused. 3. Routine. Following the same daily routine without any changes or new experiences can lead to a monotonous lifestyle. For example, waking up, going to work, coming home, and repeating the same activities every day without any variety can become monotonous and dull. 4. Music. A song that lacks variation in melody, rhythm, or dynamics can be described as monotonous. If a song has the same repetitive beat and lacks any changes in tempo or style, it may not be very enjoyable to listen to. 5. Landscape. A landscape that lacks diversity and is characterized by the same features or colors throughout can be considered monotonous. For example, a vast desert with endless sand dunes and no other elements can be described as a monotonous landscape. It's important to note that something being monotonous is subjective, as what one person finds boring, another might find interesting. However, in general, the term monotonous is used to describe things that lack variety or excitement.